So let's have a look at how I would add something to one of my learning communities. Let's say I want to check out these Shakespearean insults. I simply click. It will tell me what the prompt is. It will show me the media. It will say who the creator is, and then give me some integration notes. These are notes left by the creator to help me decide if it's something that I want to use. Now, I may not want to use it right away, but I might want to save it to a collection, and I can click that. And the collections that I've created are there. I'm going to come back to how I create those. If I want to add a topic, I click add, and I can add it as an individual topic or add it to a select group of people. So in this case, I might add it here. I'm going to click next. And now we're taken to a view we're familiar with. This is where I can edit the topic. So I'm not bound to how the person who created it set it out. I can change whatever I'd like. So I could change, for example, the time. I could change the media if I wanted to. I could add links, etc. And then I would just need to update the topic, and it's there for me and the members of that group.